This is it. This is it. Now, who's ready for a huge disappointment? I know I am. I know I am. Well done. You came in first. You've got 20 friendship points. 20 social points. And... well done. You won. You won. Here we go. Hi there. Oh. Right. Oh fucking god! Did I get that? Did I miss one? Again. Fuck. Fuck it up! Oh, ring button! No. Right, go. That's it. This game's at it. Never gonna catch up. I fucking failed. Drill the grass. The Snake Bones thanks to the sub. Dr. Barrow thanks to subs. This is... I've no failed, you've failed. Let's do it again and go. I better fucking win this, by the way. Use your boosters. Here, imagine I have. Right, go. It's fucking miles ahead. Shit! Oh my god. Nah, that's fucked. That's fucked here. Come out. Aye. Right. Let's do it again, man. Right. Don't fuck that up again. Don't bang into the sides. Remember, don't bang into the sides. You go through the middle and you'll be fine. Right? Right, up here. Right. There was a slight fuck up. Oh, fucking ring button! Oh shit, what are you doing? Left shift is up. No. Left shift is down. Space is up. I was pressing fucking up and down at the same time. You hold down left shift to... No. Shit, what is it? Left shift to go down. Space to go up. I was doing fucking both of them. So fucking stupid. Right, here we go. Look, you fucking... Rank 1 fucking nursing Dead by Daylight, right? You can do this. What's that? That's it. Don't fuck it up. You've got it. You've got it. Fucking yes! What? 200 fucking euros! And twice the social point. What do you mean twice? 200 fucking euros. I could get that with fucking chipboard. Nicolasius, it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much. €200 fucking euros. That's nothing. You can get that with fucking eggs. Selling about 10 fucking eggs. Wait a minute. And that's it, gone. That's 6 fucking grand I spent on that fucking drone. That's going to take me then to break even. 10, 30 fucking victories just to break even, and you can only play it like every fucking week or something in the game. It's going to take me about a year. What do you mean? Did you see that?
Hi there. Can I help you?